Yes, from our previous lesson, we study the basic of permutation, we study an example. So today we are going to continue how to solve these problems. That is, whenever you see this solution, if you have 3 n permutation 4 is equals to n minus 1 permutation 5. So this is the same thing as you have 3 times n factorial all over n minus 4 all bracket factorial is equals to n minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus 5 all bracket factorial. So this can be expressed as n 3 times n into n minus 1 factorial over n minus 4 into n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial, which is the same thing as n minus 1 over n minus 6 all factorial. So if you have this, so this one will cancel this, and this also will go with this. So we have 3n over n minus 4 into n minus 5, all the same thing as 1. So from here we have n minus 4 into n minus 5, all this goes to 3n. Then you factorize this, where you state we have n squared minus 5 minus 4 n times n minus 4n minus times minus is plus 4 times this is 20, which is equal to 3n. Here we have n squared minus 9, n squared minus 12, n squared minus 9n. This is 9n. N squared minus 9n plus 20, which equals to 3n. So you collect the like terms, thus you have n squared minus 9n. When you allow this one to come here, it's 3n, then plus 20 is equals to 0. Now you have n squared minus 12n, then plus 20 is equals to 0. So from here we are going to see how we can factorize the equations. How we factorize the equation that if you have n squared minus 12n plus 20 is equals to 0, so you look for the factors of this. That is the last factor. When you multiply this and this, you have 20 n squared, and the multiple of 20 when you have we have the negative factors that if you have minus 2n plus minus 10n, it will give you, this will give you minus 12n. This is for the sum. This is for the sum. But for the product factors, this is sum of the factors. Product factors, if you look for the product factors, you have minus 2n times minus 10n. This will give you 20n squared. So this one will come here. From now, you can simplify this as n squared minus 2n minus 10n plus 20 is equals to 0. So you can take this one, n minus 2n in bracket, factor this out, you have 10n minus 20 all equals to 0. So you have n into n minus 2, 10n minus 2 is equals to 0. So now we have n minus 2, n minus 10 all equals to 0. So this implies that, so we have this. So this will give us n minus n is equals to 2 or n is equals to 10. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.